At this point, we can start programming the dialogue, and the dialogue is the logical flow that will determine the chatbot's response to the user's intents and the entities. So remember, intent is kind of the general thing of what they want to do, and the entities is what they want to do with. So first, let's start by going to the dialog menu here and start by having the bot greet the user. So we can adjust how we want it to greet in the welcome. Then we want to add a node. And in the node, we're going to add one for ordering. We filter this by selecting the specific intent. And so the intent is just the pound sign. So you pull down, and then you'll get a list of the intents, and then you choose that. And then you can specify entities that you want to focus on. So here we'll say if the bot recognizes the order, so how they're ordering, and it recognizes the entity, which is the drink. So if it recognizes that they're ordering and it recognizes the drink, in this case coffee, then we'll respond with, excellent, I'll place this in an extra large to-go cup for you. So let's go ahead and try it. So we click on the right-hand button and click try it. Hello, how can I help you? I type in, hi, I'd like to order. I'd like to order some coffee. Excellent, I'll place this in an extra large cup for you.